Here I have REALME Narzo 30, and today I'm going to show you how to connect Samsung Galaxy Buds Live headphones to this device. So firstly, you have to open its case, then enable Bluetooth on your device, and after you see them in the list of the available devices, just tap on them, and after that they will be connected. Tap pair, and now they are connected. So if you want to disconnect from them, tap here, and here you can either disconnect or unpair from this device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.